Lisa Lompres. I came from the Philippines many years back. I landed in Springfield, Illinois. Fast forward about my younger life during a poverty. I was 11 years old when I started working in the middle class people to help out my poor family in the Philippines. So now, as I work to help my parents. At the age of 83 years old, I became born-again Christians as a public proclamation by water immersion baptism 3 years ago.
Woo! Yes!
Our Pastor Mercy Yerga. I am so thankful to our beautiful leader Maria Luisa over here at number 20 because of her, she was encouraged me to go follow Jesus. Yes. And so I'm encouraging everyone in this beautiful that by next semester you come back because we're gonna be all in here again. In Colossians, in Colossians 2 verse 10 says, when you have Jesus, you have everything.
Amen.
So, life story in God is not end, but I don't know what the future holds, but that God knows who holds the future, and it's Jesus.
Amen.
And He died in the cross for us. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
She did great. She's worried she went over. She did great.
Amen.